abdominal core workout under, hopefully, 10 minutes. Lie on your back, feet are hip width apart. We're going to lie on our backs here, tuck the chin under just a little bit. We're going to come up into a bridge. Let me scoot down just a little bit and let you get situated. We're going to do these movements dynamically. So we're going to inhale, tuck the tailbone under, come on up, connect the rib cage to the pelvis. You're not arching the back. And then you exhale down. That's 1. We're going to do 12 of these. Inhale up. Stay for 1. Come down on the inhale or exhale. That's 2. Inhale up. Hold your breath for a second. Exhale, come on down. Try to use those big toes. That's 2. Curl that tailbone under. Come on up on the inhale. Connect that rib cage to the pelvis. Stay for 1. Hold your breath there. Exhale, come on down. That's 3. Try to keep the knees in line with the pelvis. Inhale up. Hold your breath there for a second. Exhale, come on down. That's 4. Inhale up, tuck that tailbone under. Try to relax the face and shoulders. Stay for 1 second. Exhale, come on down. That's 5. Inhale up. Tuck that tailbone under. Stay for 1. Exhale, come on down. That's 6. If I lose count, I suck. Inhale up. Sound like a true American. And then stay up there. You suck. Stay for 1. Exhale, come on down. Use those big toes. Use those inner thighs. That's 7. Tuck that tailbone under. Connect that rib cage to the pelvis. Don't arch the back. Relax the shoulders. Stay for 1. That's exhale. That's 7. Inhale up. Exhale. Relax the shoulders. Exhale, come down. That's 8. Inhale, come up. Tuck that tailbone under. Engage those quads and those inner thighs. Stay for 1. Exhale, come on down. That's 9. Inhale, come on up. Stay for 1 second. Exhale, come on down. That's 10. Inhale, come on up. Engaging the abdominal region circumferentially. Exhale, come on down. That's 11. Inhale up. Stay for 1. Exhale, come on down. That's 12. Straighten the legs. Let's take 2 or 3 breaths here. Just relax for 1 second. Okay, now we're going to bring the legs up into a tabletop. You can bring the arms out to the side or keep the arms next to you. It's up to you. Then we're going to work the lower abdominal region near the pubic bone. You can place the palms, the thumbs underneath your lower back, and your fingers on top. You're going to inhale, let the pelvis come into a little bit of anterior tilt. There's a gap under your back. And then exhale, squeeze circumferentially and try to push that lower back into the floor. That's 1. We're only bringing the knees a little bit forward. And then exhale, bring that pelvis back. Tuck that tailbone under, and then bring the pelvis connect the pelvis to the rib cage. That's 3. Inhale, let the knees come forward actively. Exhale. Tuck that tailbone under, bring the knees towards you. That's 4. Inhale up. Exhale, come on back. I shouldn't say up. Let the knees come forward. That's 4. Inhale forward. Exhale, tuck that tailbone under, bring the knees towards you. You're using the lower abdominal region. Inhale forward. Exhale, that's 5. Inhale, let the knees come forward. Exhale, that's 6. Inhale, let the knees come forward. Exhale, that's 7. Tucking that tailbone under and trying to flatten that lower back. Inhale, let the knees come forward. Exhale, that's 8. Inhale, let the knees come forward. Exhale, bring the knees on back. That's 9. Inhale, bring the knees forward. Arch that lower back. Anterior tilt, and then exhale, bring those knees forward. There may be a little bit of shaking. That's 10. Inhale, bring the knees forward. Exhale, bring the knees towards you. That's 12. Let's do one more just for kicks. Inhale forward. Exhale, bring the knees forward. Drop one leg and then the other. Straighten the legs out. Let's rest here. Let's take a couple breaths. Relax that abdominal region. Hopefully you're feeling that lower abdominal region turn on. And then bend your right knee, roll it on over to your left-hand side. We're going to come up into some mountain climbers. So hands under the shoulders. We're going to come into, find a neutral for your pelvis, bring the legs back. We're going to come into kind of a plank position, push-up, preparatory pose. You might want to widen the hands. Super slowly, we're going to engage the right leg to stabilize. We're going to inhale, bring that knee forward towards the left forearm, and then exhale, come on back. And then inhale, bring the right knee forward. Not compromising the spine. Exhale, come back. That's 1. Inhale, bring that left knee forward. Exhale, come on back. Inhale, right. Exhale. That's 2. Inhale, bring the left. Exhale. Inhale, bring the right. Exhale, pushing that rib cage up into the shoulder blades. That's 3. Inhale, bring the left knee forward. Exhale, bring it back. Inhale, right knee. Exhale, that's 4. Inhale. Exhale, left. Right. Inhale. Exhale. That's 4. Inhale, bring the left one. Exhale, bring it back. Inhale, bring the right one. Exhale, bring it back. That's 5. Tuck the tailbone under just a little bit. If you're an anteriorly tilted pelvis, your posterior, bring it up the tailbone. Inhale, bring that left foot forward. Knee, I should say, from the psoas. Inhale, bring the right. That's 5. We got 1 more. Inhale, bring the left knee forward. Exhale, bring it back. Inhale, bring the right knee forward. Exhale, bring it back. That's 6. Drop 1 knee, then the other. Let's just squat here. Take a couple breaths here. Turn the palms upward. That was a doozy, wasn't it? That was the whole abdominal region there. But remember, the core also includes the psoas and the quadratus lumborum. So we're engaging all of that circumferentially like a balloon. Squeeze it in to protect that lower back and strengthen that lower back. We're going to do a side plank. We're going to bring the right elbow underneath the right shoulder. See, from this camera angle, I'm going to come a little bit more forward. We're trying to align the left heel, the butt, and the back of the head. You can place this palm on the left side of your leg there. I'm going to inhale up, trying to connect my rib cage to my pelvis. Tighten both butt cheeks. Exhale, come down. That's 1. We're just doing 6 on this side. Inhale up, head in the center. Exhale, come down. That's 2. Inhale up. Exhale, come down. That's 3. Inhale up. Push that butt forward. Exhale, 4. Inhale up. We're using this as the center here. Exhale, come down. That's 4. Yeah? Inhale up. Exhale, come down. That's 5. Inhale up. Exhale, come down. That's 6. Let's switch to the other side. This is not much, folks. Do more than this if you can do it. Now we're going to align the back of the head. The left elbow's forearm is underneath this left shoulder. Hopefully the heel, the butt, and the back of the head are in line. You can see me here. I'm going to lift up on the inhale. Connect that rib cage to the pelvis. Try to bring the head back. Push the butt forward. And then exhale, come down. That's 1. Inhale up. Engaging the quadratus lumborum muscles. Exhale, come down. That's 2. Inhale up. Exhale, come down. That's 3. Inhale up, keeping that head in a neutral position. Hopefully it is. Exhale, come down. That's 4. 1 more. Not 1 more, 3 more. Inhale up. Push that butt forward. Use both butt cheeks. Exhale, come down. That's 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, come down. That's 6. Let's just do 1 more because I fucked up. Push that butt forward. Keep those lats and those pecs engaged. That's what's supporting you, folks. And then exhale, come down. We're all done. Let's lie on our backs. Hopefully that's under 10 minutes. Relax the whole body. Stay here for 5 minutes and rest and see if you can sink down into the earth.